Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve 15 puzzle. This is probably one of the world's best known puzzles. All of you saw this puzzle at least once in your life. Many of you had this puzzle when you were a kid. And this is the metal version of a classic 15 puzzle. When I had a plastic version in my childhood, it was quite difficult to move all parts. They were stuck all the time, but this one is quite easy to move and it feels very nice in hands because of the metal. And also this puzzle comes with a beautiful pouch, and it has a booklet inside which gives you a lot of different objects which you can try to solve. Since I thought that the only object of this puzzle is just to organize all the parts from 1 to 15 or backwards, but there are like a lot of different possibilities. Like you can put all odd numbers on top, all even numbers on the bottom, or put them in a columns instead of rows. So a lot of different ways how you can solve this puzzle. And if you like 15 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see how I solve this puzzle, keep watching the video. So first, before start solving this puzzle, I have to mix it so that I will have something to do. So I'll do it quick. Okay, I think that I've mixed it enough, and now I will try to put all numbers starting from 1 in top left corner, and 15 is going to be right here. So in this case, what you have to do first is to move all numbers from 1 to 4 to the first row, and it is not difficult to do. You just have to make a lot of moves, but it is not a big challenge to do that. So as you can see, I've been able to move almost all of them except one. And now the most challenging part is to put the number 1 on top. Now I have to fill the second row. It's gonna start with 5, 6, 7 and 8 gonna be the last one. That I have to do it like this. Okay, the number 15 is kind of in a wrong spot now, but I think that we can do it like this, and it's gonna help me to fix it. Okay, I'm back to where I started, but doesn't really matter. I'm gonna fix it very quick. So that's it. 8 goes 1 row up, and now I can complete the second row. Now I have 9, 10. I have to move 11 and 12 1 row up, and then I have to put 13, 14 and 15 down. So I think that I'm gonna do it like this. Yeah, and that's it. The solving is complete. So that was not so difficult, but that brings very nice memories of a childhood. And since this puzzle is quite small and it has a very nice pouch, you can put it inside, put it in your pocket, and when you have a free time, you can grab it and spend a couple of minutes solving it. If you like 15 puzzle or you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.